Maybe you're wondering ukuthi yini le video oyibonayo lawayana ama-drugs guys. Lawa ama-drugs lawayana avezwe lapha kwiBadlanga Commission. So uVusumuzi Kate Matlala lo oseboshiwe osejele sent a video showing a cocaine being weighed to Medicare 24 CEO Mike van Wyk. Later on ngizokukhombisa ukuthi ubani uMike van Wyk ungamazi. So uVan Wyk was meant to testify today, but his appearance was postponed due to ill health. The commission, however, proceeded without him. He'll respond at a later stage. Well, le video leyana-ke ikhonjiswe kuMadlanga ikhombiswa u-advocate Chaskalson echazela iMadlanga ukuthi i-Medicare CEO involved kakhulu no Mike no Kate Matlala. Kube namanye ama-video la ikhombisa khona ukuthi bebesebenzisa ama-ambulance betransporta ngisho ama-ostrich betransporta yonke into le. So this was one of them, i-cocaine, and there is pure evidence ukuthi lo baba lo we-Medicare involved endabeni zama-drugs ne-money laundering nazo zonke izinto ezi-associated noMatlala. So wena mfethu lapho ungayicabangela ukuthi nje kudlula mfethu isiguli mhlampe esisesoshona, maybe mhlampe isiqhamuka kwi-accident, but cha njengoba eshaya ama-siren nje wenzela ukuthi i-cocaine idlule smoothly. Hey, labo lova bebehlakaniphile, labo lova bebebambe ngempela, and they knew what they were doing. Ukuthi ubani lo wathi akuhlukaniswa i-PKTT ngaba bekho kuyo yonke le nyova dem. So this guy engizomkhomisa manje, this guy is the mastermind behind the all everything. I thought Kate Matlala was just a small boy, but when it comes to connecting and collecting the money and also manipulating a tender, he's the big shot. I think he's not just anybody you can just say, no, Manny J is giving one. This is a big guy, guys. I'm saying, you know, thank you so much for General Mkhwanazi for making sure with the criminals and people like this that put behind the bars. Because if it was not for Baba Mkhwanazi, let's just clap hands for KZN. KZN is doing so much, guys. We are the forefront of everything. But our police commissioner is on the top. We also have the Marshall March led by Jacinta, the Ngizwes, the Pagalum Tagatis, and the community. But they are working very hard to make sure with the KZN Jayotwa in. So now everybody is in trouble. Why did they have to put work for them? They must do that. They must try and stop the PKTT, and then that's gonna lead to this and this and that. So and this is just a tip of the iceberg, because when you look at the evidence right now presented by the evidence leaders, you can see what they are up to something, and there is something coming up that will shock us. Remember message and Farouz Khan babebambe ama laptop akhe wathi yeah icela izinto zakhe ebuye because yolizophupa. But before iphuphe, guys, let me remind you ukuthi this week Thursday I'm having a comedy show with Celestine Tuli, the cast of the famous and the number one on the whole world, the global hit series Ilokuzano, which I'm part of. I'm very proud of myself. I'm just a small part of the big machine. The Polygamist. Yes, Celeste Tule in Fly Motion is going to be live. La Payana, Pinback Morningside next to Zybe Restaurant. I'm ticket as about 160, and also as a 200 rand emnyango. So make sure you check up web ticket or check a Pick and Pay, guys. But before you check everything else, you must check yourself, because we need to laugh of it. We need to laugh. We need to at least share up, because this is but before I go there, let me just continue with the show, because I want to show you who is Mike van Wyk. But you can hear from the Wyk. You wouldn't know. Maybe it's them cheetah all the way from Orania, but using his black connections to get rich and acting up as if he's a paramedic. But he is a paramedic because vele it's a drugs. You see what I did there? So, according to Mike Notsberry Rule, Uti Mike Van Veek is not present at the Matlala Commission, according to his attorney. Van Veek is suffering from a severe panic attack. Nakuba njalo-ke bese uzoboshwa yabo kuba nezinto ey'ncane ezikuphathayo, heart attack, obani bani, anxiety, obani bani. Kodwa kuleya video lekade ephethe iy'taki zemali, he was feeling okay, everything was fine, showing to his friend phela uMatlala ukuthi yo my man, you can do this. Even Julius Mkhwana's his biggest friend with this guy. So his legal team has brought an application for postponement, stating that he may need to be admitted to a psychiatrist facility for treatment. Yabona-ke manje-ke, I'm feeling like they are trying to khanda le story ukuthi uMike mhlambe abomuntu ongazuthi useyahlanya, so ezoya ejelele inhlanya and then aphinde aphume because labantu hey mfethu ubuka uJeffrey Epstein kwathi ufile kanti akafile allegedly. Now we have lo mjita esesenza umuntu ongathi uhlanya uphethwe inzululwane kanti naye yabo ngiyangithola ukuthi ngithini. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. But before you go, this is Mike Van Veek. Hey, boss, uyayibona ukuthi naye insizwa le edonsa kakhulu ngekhala esizaba mabokoboko boy. Hey, shayo number 1. Hey. Well, guys, this is D.O.P, Durban Online Podcast. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you on my show this coming Thursday. As I've said before, the ticket link is going to be in the description. So please support and purchase ticket before I pay them. And also, this is the time where I say, if you have watched till this far, I know go to the mainstream media won't tell you what we tell you. So if you know you like this type of content and type of news, please feel free to subscribe, and it's free. And also comment and leave a comment in the comment section. Like and share the video, and that will help my small show even cool. We are around about 530. The next goal is 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. See you, and make sure you watch other videos that are gonna pop up in the screen. Danko! Simbinda! Bagway shulu prenda.